Hey guys, welcome to this video. It's me Rakin. In this video I'm going to show that how can automate all of your social media platforms by using Google's AntiGravity, and which will allow you to upload high quality AI generated images automatically from AntiGravity to all of your social media platforms. So at first, make sure that you download AntiGravity in your device if you're not using that, and if you're using that, that's really cool. So when you open the AntiGravity, it will look something like this, and from here we'll go with open folder. So we're going to choose a folder where we'll put all of the codes there, and again no worries, we'll use AI to generate all of the codes. And after selecting the folder, it will look something like this. And here in the right side, as you can see, that an agent section has been enabled in that exact folder. So from here we'll start everything. So you can see that there's a command box or a prompt box where you can actually give a prompt or a command, and based on that it will do the work. And about the prompt, I had made a very detailed prompt for today's project, and you'll find that inside my community. The link has been given in the description. So all you have to do is you have to come in the classroom, and then you have to go in the place of AntiGravity, and then you have to go in the Let's project AntiGravity social media automation. You have to come in the place of prompt, and then you have to just copy the whole prompt that is given in here. Copy, and then I'll go to AntiGravity, and then I'll just put this in the place of command box. And if you're not a community member, no worries, I'll describe you everything right now step by step. And here in the prompt, at first I said I'm building an automated social media image generation and scheduling system inside this workplace. And here's the exact workflow you have to follow. The first thing, I'll give you a topic, target social media platforms, and a specific platform time, and based on that you have to upload that. If I want to schedule that post, then you have to schedule that for exact platform. The second thing I said, the system will generate an image based on the topic using NanoBanana or NanoBanana Pro, and don't have to use OpenAI or DALL-E, these kind of image generation models. Why? Because NanoBanana is almost free, and if I use NanoBanana Pro, it will be from Google, and also it is the best model in this world right now. And the third I say, the system will also use a built-in text generation, so that I can actually generate the title and also the captions for every post, and every time it have to follow the title / recommend.markdown file to generate the titles. I'll describe everything what it really means in here. In the number 4, I say that the system will use a node package called upload post to upload the generated image along with the AI generated title and caption to the specified platforms at the requested times. So here's the question, why am I using something called upload post to get access to all of our social media platforms? So the problem is AntiGravity can't access to our social media platforms, and for that we have to use a middleman, and that middleman can get access to all of our social media platforms. And what we'll do is we'll generate that content, the image or maybe the video, and then we'll actually give that content to that middleman by saying that, or AntiGravity will say that, for me, upload these things to that person's social media platforms. And that's how the middleman really works. And in here, upload post, you can use other middlemen, but if you want to use upload post, I've given the link in the description of this exact tool. All you have to do is you have to come in this tool and you have to sign up. And no worries, I'll describe you everything with the rest of the video, what you have to do. And then I say that the critical constraints, at first don't have to create any .env file, because I'm already creating something like .env, so don't have to create something like this. And also don't have to use any OpenAI API keys, because I want to actually make that very cost free or very cost efficient, so that we can actually do this thing almost for free. And also the configurations must be read from the markdown files. And here the most important thing, which is the file structure and the markdown files. So here I actually say that, make these 3 markdown files, and by following these markdown files, this AI system will really work. So the first thing is style/reference.md. So in this markdown file, what I'll do is I'll actually give a image or an image URL, and following that image URL, it will generate the images. So in this case, we don't have to actually describe the images, only have to actually give the topic, and based on the topic, it will generate the image following that exact image style. The second thing is the upload/config.md. So in this exact file, what we'll do is we actually give the API keys of the middleman tool, means the upload post tool, and also all of the rest of the things that really needed to get access to that middleman from AntiGravity. And the third thing is the title/recommend.md, and that's another markdown file where we'll actually give the requirements for generating the titles, or means the captions, because you know that like for every social media platforms the captions have to be different, and also the characters must be under some specific numbers. And in here, in the place of supported platforms, I had mentioned the platforms that I wanna upload on. So basically in here I mentioned the X, LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Pinterest, Reddit, Threads, and also the Blue Sky. And as you know that these are the most popular platforms in the internet right now. And then I had given a simple recap to create the node.js script perfectly, and then I had given a code so that it can understand that how it have to connect with the upload post from the AntiGravity. So basically you will get this code inside the upload post. All you have to do is like you have to come in the place of home section. If you drag down a little bit, and if you want to upload videos, all you have to do is like you have to just copy this code. So make sure that you actually go in the place of JavaScript and then copy that code. And if you want to upload images like me, so all you have to do is just go into JavaScript and then copy this code and then come in the AntiGravity. So after this, just paste the code. So in here I already pasted, so that's why I'm not pasting that again. And then I'm actually giving the requirements that how it have to work on, kind of like this thing. So after that, you can actually go with the planning mode, and also you can go with fast mode. So the planning mode is like every time while executing any code, while executing any task, it will ask the permission from you. And if you go with the first mode, then the agent will execute the code by itself. It will not ask any kind of permission from you. So I prefer you to go with the planning mode. And also in the place of model section, I'm choosing the Gemini 3.1 Pro High model, which is the best and the most powerful model right now in the internet. So I'll just go with this, and then I'll go with send. As you can see that it already just created some of the files, and throughout the process it will ask some permissions if needed, and also it will ask for run any command. All I have to do is like I have to give the permissions, and the rest of the things it will do by itself. So as you can see that how quickly it actually done its work, and right now all I have to do is like we have to set up some small stuffs, and then we're ready to go. So for that, at first we'll go in the place of code section, and then we'll go with the style/reference.md file, and here we have to actually put a reference image. By following that reference image, this AI will generate the images. So in here you can see that by default already there's an image. So all I have to do is like we have to delete this image, and then in here we can actually put an image URL, and also we can actually keep the thing in here. So what I'll do is like I'll just come here, and as you can see that I had already an image, and I want to generate the image in this exact style. So what I'll do, I'll just kind of like copy this image, and then I'll go to my AntiGravity, and here I'll just paste the image, and then I'll say that you know what, use this image as the reference image. And as you can see that I had requested this thing, and soon this image will be added in the style/reference.md file. It actually analyzed the given image, and then it had added this thing in the path and also as a style prompt, which is really cool. And right now we have to actually give the title requirements in the title/requirement.md file. And here you can see that by default there's already a requirement. If you want to use, you can use that, and if you want to change something, you can change that. And in here I want to use my own requirements, and for that I'll just go with these requirements. I'll copy, I'll just delete that, and then put this thing in here. That's it. And then in the place of upload/config.md, I have to actually put the API key of my upload post, and also my user profile and the default platform's name. So if you want, you can actually add more in here. You can see that there's like X, LinkedIn, Facebook. I want to add the rest of the platforms also. I'll go with like Instagram, Pinterest, Threads, TikTok, YouTube, Reddit, and also the Blue Sky. So how you can actually get the API key of the upload post? It's very easy. All you have to do is like you have to come to your upload post account, and then after the sign up, just come in the place of API keys, and there you have to actually create an API key, and also there will be a default API key, so no worries. So you can see that I have already 2 API keys. I'll just go and copy this, and then I'll just come to my AntiGravity, and here in the place of API key I'll just delete this thing, and then I'll put the API key in here. That's it. And here in the place of user profile, I have to actually give the user profile from my upload post. And how I can give that? Again, it's very easy. All I have to do is like come to the upload post, and then go in the place of users, and then you have to actually create a user at first if you're new. And here in the place of add new profile, I'll just go with something like Steve, okay, and then go with like add profile, and I can see a new profile has been added. and after that I have to add all the social media platforms in here. Assume that I want to add the Instagram, so all I have to do is like click the Instagram, and then if the Instagram is already added with the browser, it will just ask some permissions, and then the Instagram account will be added. In some cases maybe it will ask for passwords, kind of like this thing. Again, it's very easy. As you can see that in some seconds my Instagram account has been added with this exit profile, and like this, as you can see that in the login profile I had added all of my social media platforms. And after adding that, all I have to do is like copy your profile name like this, and then you have to go to AntiGravity again, and here in the place of user profile you have to actually put the user profile in here. Just paste, that's it. And that's how we have to actually set up all of the things in here. So let's check that it works or not, and for that I'll come in here again, and in the place of comment box I'll say something like this: I want you to create a post on 5 key reasons why AntiGravity is better than Cloud Code. Upload that post to my Facebook account right now, and schedule that exact post to my X account for tomorrow 6 p.m. So as you can see that that's the command in here, and then I'll go with send. Again, in here if you only use Gemini 3.1 Pro, it will take some time because it actually for complex task, but if you use Gemini 3 Flash it will take less time. So in here I'm using the Gemini 3 Flash, and let me just go with send. So yeah, finally as you can see that it actually done its work. But there's a crazy thing I noticed, that maybe you already listened that from people that AntiGravity has a crazy feature called auto healing. So what's gonna happen, like if it faces any errors, instead of showing you the error, instead of asking for debugging the error, it will just solve the problem by itself. So that's the crazy thing. So at first it actually faced a problem with the API keys, with the API issues, and then it actually solved that by itself. Until solving that, it actually did so many things, and then it actually done its work. And right now let's go to my Facebook just to see is it worked or not. So I'll just go to my Facebook. By the way, remember that for Facebook it only works with the Facebook page, not with your Facebook personal profile. So let me go to my Facebook page in here, and here you can see my friends, here's the exact post, and here's the caption: why AntiGravity beats Cloud Code. And this is the exact post. As you saw that it actually generated this exact image. Really cool. And let me see that, like, is it actually scheduled that for my X or not. So if I go to my upload post, so after that let's just go with like the calendar, and here you can see that if I go in the today section, I actually uploaded 2 images. So this one, the first one, while just checking this thing I tried that, and there's a second one just now I checked that why AntiGravity it's better than the Cloud Code. And if I go tomorrow, which is the March one, and you can see that in the 6 p.m. and that's the image, as you can see that, and that's the caption, which is really cool. And from now, if I just came to my AntiGravity, if I just open this exact file, if I open this exact folder, and if I came in the comment box, and only I have to say that what it have to do, and by using these things it will just upload that. If I want, it will schedule that. If you want to schedule for the next 30 days, it will schedule that exact for the next 30 days for me, which is exactly really cool. And that's how the AI really works. And we don't have to actually use the N10 for that. We don't have to use any kind of like, extra tools for that. The AntiGravity and the upload post is enough for our whole social media automations. So yeah, that's the thing. Again, if you need all the resources, you will find inside the Hello AI community. I put it everything in there. After just entering in the community, you will get access to all of my ready-made templates, workflows, codes, prompts related with N10, Make.com, ChatGPT, Google AI Studio, AntiGravity, voice agents, and which will be worth more than like $10,000s of dollars. And not only this, if you go in the place of calendar, you can see that we do live session calls every week where you can join and ask me anything there directly to me. And also, while building something, if you face any problem, you can use the chat to actually chat with me directly. And also in the place of community, you can see that you can actually use this as like a social media, like you can actually share your stuffs and lots of things. So yeah, the community link has been given in the description. Make sure to join if you want. And if you want free values, then make sure to subscribe to my channel, because through my videos you can learn more about AI stuffs, and which will help you to integrate AI in your business, or you can start a new high profitable business with AI. So that's it for today. See you in the new video. Till then, peace.